without wasting any more time, I want us to break down the price action for yesterday. So yesterday there was an interesting NASDAQ setup, a buy setup, as you can see from the price action here. So this is what we call the interbank straight away trade, guys. A straight away trade is whereby there's no manipulation in the market and price just goes up. So I'm just going to break it down to you so that next time you see it, you can take it. So what we have, like with the interbank strategy, we mark our interbank range, which is the R0, right? And then I'm just going to put my Fibonacci levels at this high and at this low. So for the day, so once I have my Fibonacci like this, I'm waiting for price to either, like usually with the repricing setup, we wait for price to go to these levels here and then continue to go up. But in this case, that didn't happen because there was no manipulation in the market, right? So price just decided like, okay, I'm just going to go up without giving us a repricing. So there was no repricing stage at this point in the market yesterday. And we had CPI news. So CPI news drove price to go up like this and be bullish. So we have our interbank range, as you can see, right? So usually what happens with the R0 is this, like it has to be price has to trade inside this range, like the R0 range, as you can see. So I'm just going to mark this high like this, these two highs like this, right? With the R0 high and the R0 low. So as you can see, price action inside this range is in consolidation, right? This is our consolidation. As you can see, price just goes up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's no clear direction that the market is going up or down, like it's bullish or bearish at this point. So what we usually wait for when we are trading the straight away is that we mark the 75% of the R0, which is this one which I drew here. So the 75%, we see price inside the consolidation going to the 75% and rejecting here, giving us a swing low, so that to confirm that price wants to go higher. So once we have this swing low like this, price goes up and then it gives us a confirmation and then continues to go up slowly. And then this one big candlestick is at 1430. This was the CPI news at 1430. So this is why price went up aggressively like this, because of news. So as the interbank traders, usually we will enter a buy here, you see. So our buy is going to be, let me just, for a long position. Once price gives us maybe like a swing high like this, just going to enter it here. You would target the interbank levels at the upper side of the market, and then let's say your stop loss. Usually, like every time, use 1:3 risk reward or 1:2 risk reward. In this case, 40 pips stop loss and 133 pips target. So you would have reached your target with one big candlestick, this one big candlestick here, as you can see. But I'm just going to remove that so that we can see price action clear. So price currently traded inside the range and then gave us an entry, the straight away entry at 75%. So if you go to your charts and then analyze yesterday's price action, this is a 75% interbank level inside the R0 range. So price went up with this candlestick. And usually, like when it reaches these two levels, it has to reject if they want to sell. But in this case, they violated these levels, as you can see, and then closed above the interbank levels, the sell levels for the interbank, and then reversed here. When it reverses like this, we know that this is just a retracement, because they already violated our interbank levels, which is the 175% interbank levels for the cells. So they closed above and then violated it, and then they trading back inside the range, right? As you can see, and then price went to that 75% level again, which is the straight away level again. And then after that, we see this candlestick closing here. Once this candlestick closes here, it has violated the 50% of this previous candlestick. So this is a sign that we're going to buy here. So usually when I see this, I'm going to be scalping here and scalping until up there on there, using the not using the interbank strategy, but using the scalpers paradise. So this is a rule that I have inside the scalpers paradise ebook. So is that okay? Once I see this 50% violated here, it means that the next candlestick is likely going to be bullish. And then when I go to the 1 minute time frame, I'm going to be looking for an entry, a scalping entry there, based on this candlestick on the 1 hour time frame. So it's simple as that. And then we have this high here, which they taken out again, and then price went continue to go up towards the close of the day. So this is a straight away because there was no repricing, there was no manipulation in the market. Price just went straight up, and then they used the news to fuel that move. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, guys. I hope this was clear, and then you can, like, if this video was educational for you, you can leave a like, and then if you're not subscribed to the channel, just subscribe, and then whatever you wanna see like in the channel, just comment below in the video, and then I'll see you in the next one.